gamit yung ano, dalawang fingers lang. Finger niya si longest line. Double time! Uy, ang ID! Double time, double time, double time, double time. Ikaw mo sa klinik, go, 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 go! Hey vlog.
Hey guys.
We're gonna do a prostate.
Open it in.
We're gonna, and then we're gonna. I love it. Start. Plastic bottle. What? Plastic bottle. Lahat na lang prostate sa plastic. Who has gunting? In English, that's scissors. It smells like it's burning. It doesn't smell good, guys.
I said picture.
Oh, yeah, what? Ooh, girl, you smell that suka.
Oh. It smells like my wallet.
Approach my flash. Sige na lang.
Yeah, it smells like soup. I don't.
Girl, it looks like... That looks kind of sus. Girl, it smells like a booty hole. It's... Oh, shit. Hello? If you were to have a daughter or a son, who would you not?
If you had a daughter, who in the class would you not let your daughter date?
Joaquin.
Joaquin.
Joaquin, siyempre. Joaquin.
Okay.
Joaquin. For me, respectfully,
Joaquin, because Joaquin would do anything that he would smash my daughter for 1 week or 1 day.
who is that? Megan.
Oh, okay.
Nathan.
Oh, okay.
I don't want...
Okay.
Samuel. Patrick. Si John.
Same as her. Si Paulo. Si DJ. If you had a daughter, ma'am, who in our classroom would you not let your daughter date? Ay, oh,
Wala.
tayo lahat.
Wala.
Makeup with Happy. This is her honey. Better than
It's her exact shape.
it just blends perfectly.
Eye contacts.
This is for her. Her concealer. Makeup.
Try it. Diba si Mop this yung nung... Ano ka boy sa life girl? Wala man sa mabuhat no? Kanya magsita pa dyan sa left, mag-cellphone ta. What is your prediction dun sa DavCon? Yari, like right now. I feel like... Grabe to, yun din yung sabi ni Victoria. Maraming mahimatay.
Ah, sabagay, kasi mainit.
Marami makuyapan. Marami mabuang. Especially teachers.
Yeah.
Most especially, magreklamo tayo na mas masyado ang
For real!
may mag
Yeah!
Look back at this and I'm right.
May maliit. Kaya nag-serve ako.
Real. Okay.
Predictions on awardees sa prom.
From King Krishnan, from Queen, Palat.
Most probably Krishnan.
But win.
be like something unexpected.
So my prediction is gonna be probably from Little Center, Best Dress, and this is also my award.
Ikaw?
Yes.
Three, two, one.
She was a fairy.